A very good morning to all. Today we are going to see lesson number 5, seeds and seeds. Okay children, in this chapter itself we have learnt lot of things, isn't it? Today we are going to see new more things. Okay, shall we start to see children? All of you take page number 46. Okay, which page number? 46. Plants which hunt. On the topic children, plants which hunt. Okay, there are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects and even mice. What is it children? There are some plants that will trap. What it mean by trap children? They will catch. Okay, they will catch. What they will catch? They will catch and eat frogs, insects and even mice. This is a new thing, isn't it? You not ever learned this, isn't it? This is new thing. The name of the plant is the pitcher plant. What is the name of the plant children? The pitcher plant. That the picture shown you already in the book, isn't it? The pitcher plant. Nepenthes is one such plant. Okay, where it found? It found in Australia. Where it found children? This plant found in Australia, Indonesia and Meghalaya in India. Okay, it has a pitcher-like shape, so only called as pitcher plant, and the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant of the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attracts insects to eat. Okay children, how the plant traps children? It has a special sense of smell. By using that smell only, what it do? It will trap the insects. Okay, when the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt, isn't it? What a clever way to hunt. So what is it children? I said about a pitcher plant. This plant, what it do? It will trap and eat frogs, insects and even mice also. The name of the plant is Nepenthes. It is found in Australia, Indonesia, Meghalaya, which is in India. Okay children, it looks like a pitcher-like shape, and the mouth is covered by a leaf. It will trap the insects by using the sense of smell. Okay children, this is about a pitcher plant. Okay, next thing we are going to see about so many seeds. What you are going to see children? So many seeds. See here one activity that I am going to do here. This one you have to do in your home and you have to send to me the table what I am going to do now. Okay children, shall we see what it is? See, how many types of seeds can you collect? You have to collect many number of seeds, whatever it may be. It may be an apple, inside you have seed, isn't it? It may be a papaya, or it may be a vegetables also. Ladies finger, inside you have a seeds, right? So whatever it is, you have to collect it. Okay. Each of you should try to collect as many different types of seeds. Okay. What I said here, children. Each of you should try to collect many different types of seeds as you can. After that, put all the seed collection together. Now observe these seeds carefully, the shapes, the size, color, texture, which mean by whether it is a smooth or soft. Okay, so you have to start with a table like this. Here I am going to show you some of the seeds. Like this, you have to collect the seeds and you have to make a table column like this. Okay children. See children, here I have shown you some of the seeds. Like this, you have to collect many more seeds in your home and you have to fill the tabular column what I said you before. Okay, shall I start to see the first one? See what it is children? It is mustard. Okay, what it is? It is mustard. What is the name of the mustard? What is the spelling of mustard? M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. Okay, see how it looks like. See children, how it looks like. Its color is black and the shape is spear and its texture is smooth, isn't it? So you have to fill like this in the tabular column. Okay children. And then next, what it is? White chenna. What it is? White chenna. See the spelling of white chenna I have written here. Okay. See, white chenna. What is the name? White chenna. Its color is white and the shape is it's like irregular shape, isn't it? Okay, and its texture is somewhat rough. Okay, not rough or smooth. It may be like that. Okay, and then broad bean. What it is? Broad bean. See, it is a broad bean. Its shape is flat like structure and its color is white color and its texture is soft. Okay, its texture is soft. Okay, and then what it is? Black chenna. What it is children? It is black chenna. Okay, what's its shape? Its shape is also irregular shape and its color is black. Okay, and its color is black. Its texture is also rough like white chenna. Okay children, and then see here what it is? Cumin. What it is? Cumin. See what is the spelling of cumin here? C-U-M-I-N. Cumin. See what is its shape? It's like some rice like structure, isn't it? See what its color? Its color is some brown color, isn't it? Its color is brown and its texture is smooth only. Okay, its texture is smooth. Then what is the next seed children? What it is? Aniseed. What it is? Aniseed. See here what it is? How it looks like. See, it also looks same as like cumin, but it is not cumin. Okay, it looks like greenish color. The name of this is aniseed. Okay children, like this way, and its shape is like also rice like structure, and I said you the shape, isn't it? It's like a rice like structure and its texture is also smooth. Okay children, like this way you have to collect many seeds in your home. It may be also a fruits or vegetables. Okay, apple, papaya, lady's finger, whatever it may be, you have to collect them and you have to write here tabular column. In the tabular column you have to write name of the seed, its color, shape, you have to draw the shape, and also you have to write the texture. Okay, now I am going to show you the tabular column what I said here. Like this way you have to write here tabular column and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay children, see children, look at this tabular column. Like this you have to write whatever seed you have found. Like that you have to write here. Okay, name of the seed, color, shape and its texture. Okay, see, mustard, black in color, shape is sphere like, its texture is smooth. White chenna, white in color, it's like irregular shape and is rough in texture. Broad bean, white in color, flat like structure and is smooth. What I showed you like that only I am saying here. Okay, black chenna, black and it's like also irregular shape and it is rough. Okay, cumin, it is brown like structure, brown in color and it rice like structure, it is smooth. Okay, and it's a greenish in color, it's also like rice like structure and it is also smooth. Okay, like this whatever seed you found in your home, that like you have to, this like you have to write the tabular column and you have to send in WhatsApp groups. Okay children, shall we move to the next topic? Make list of. What it is? Make list of seeds that are used as spices in your home. What are the seeds that are used as spices in your home children? You have to ask to your mother or whatever you have to ask to your mom, or else you may go to kitchen and check it. Okay, I am going to say the answer. Okay, cumin, mustard and aniseed. Okay, cumin, mustard and aniseed, these are all the spices that you will use in our home. Seeds of vegetables. You have to write some seeds of vegetables. What are the seeds of vegetables? You have lady's finger, right? There is a seed inside it. Tomato and also cucumber. These are all the vegetables that have seeds in it. Okay. The next one is seeds of fruits. Okay. You have apple, orange, guava. These are all we have seeds in it, isn't it? And then light seeds. Okay. You have to write some light seeds. What are the light seeds, children? Cumin and aniseed is the Cichurinia light seeds. Okay. And seeds which are flat. What are the seeds which are flat like structure? Apple, cumin, aniseed, sesame are all flat like structure. Make more groups. How many groups of seeds did you make? What the question, children? How to make more groups. How many groups of seeds did you make? Okay. Edible seeds, seeds which give oil, seeds used as spices, seeds floating on water, seeds sinking in water, very small seeds and very big seeds. Okay, these are all the groups. These are all the groups that they are categorized into many different ways. What is the first one? Edible seeds. Okay. Seeds which gives oil. Okay. Seeds used as spices. Seeds floating in water. Seeds sinking in water. Very big seeds and very small seeds. Okay, children. And the next topic is wandering seeds. Okay. Next topic is wandering seeds. Plants cannot move around. Yes, is it true, right, children? Plants cannot move around. It will be in the same place itself. Once they grow, they remain in the same place. Yes, once they grow also, they remain in the same place. But the seeds are great travelers. They can reach far and wide. Look at picture 1 on the next page and see the flying seeds. What is it, children? See, plants cannot move around. If they grow also, they remain in the same place itself. But the seeds are used to travel from one place to another place. How it happens, children? That only we are going to see. Okay? Turn to the next page, children. Page number 48. Look at the first picture. See? Picture 1. The seeds is used to travel from one place to another place by air. Okay? By air. What they asked, children? Have you ever seen any seeds that can fly? What is the question, children? Have you ever seen any seed that can fly? Yes, I have seen such seeds. It has white hairs attached to it. Yes, I have seen such seeds. It has white hair attached to it. Did you ever notice that, children? Yes, you may notice that. It is a white seed. White hair attached to it. It will fly in the air. Okay? What is the second question? What is it called in your area? What is the name of that? We will call old woman hair. What the name of it is? Old woman's hair. Look at your seed collection. Guess how many of this could have traveled by flying. Okay? You have to look at your seeds collection and you can make a note of it. Okay? And look at the picture 2. This seed cannot fly, but it can still travel by sticking on the fur of animals or on our clothes. In this way, it gets a free ride. Did you get any new idea from these seeds? Read how the idea of Velcro came to George Maxwell. What is it, children? The first one what we saw is the seeds that are flying in the air. Isn't it the name called old woman's hair? Isn't it? The second picture they said that also will travel from one place to another, but it not fly. But how it move from one place to another? Because it will stick. Because it will stick on the animal's fur. Okay, it will stick on the animal's fur and also in our clothes. By using this idea only, a scientist named called George Maxwell found out Velcro. Velcro is meant by a brand name of a material that consists of two pieces of cloth that stick together with a system of very small hooks used to fasten clothes, bags, etc. Did you ever notice your slipper children, it might have a Velcro like structure. It will use to stitch it, isn't it? In this also they have given a picture. Okay, that is a Velcro. It is founded by George Master. How he came an idea to found out this? Shall we see? This happened in 1948. What? This happened in 1948 itself. One day, George Master came back from a walk with his dog. Okay. One day, what he did? He came back. He came back from a walk with his. So he went with his dog for a walk. He was amazed to find seeds sticking all over his clothes and also dog's fur. He was amazed by seeing that some seeds are sticking on his cloth and also on his dog's fur. He wondered what made them stick, how it made them stick. So he observed these seeds using a microscope, using a lens. He saw that the seeds have many tiny hooks which mean by tiny clips, okay? Clips or pin-like structure, which got stuck to clothes or fur. This only gave Master the idea of making Velcro. Okay, he made a material with similar yet tiny hooks that would stick. Velcro is used to stick together many things: clothes, shoes, bags, belts, and many more. Okay, do you all know what is meant by Velcro here, children? Do you all understand what I am saying here? See here the picture of slipper that it has shown in this book itself, isn't it? By seeing that itself, you can easily understand what is meant by Velcro. It is used to stick together many things like the cloth. It may be used in cloths, bags, shoes, belts, and many more. Okay, this is all about how George Master found Velcro. Okay. Next we are going to see about some more new topics. Okay. Look at the picture in page number 49. In page number 49, look at the picture given below and guess the seeds travel and reach different places. See the first picture, squirrel. What it is? Squirrel. The first picture shows a squirrel carrying a seed, isn't it? First picture, what it shows, children? It shows squirrel carrying a seed. The second picture, what it shows a bird carrying a seed. In the first two pictures, the animals is carrying a seed from one place to another place. But in the third picture shows seeds floating on water. This suggests that seeds travel through water. What it suggests, children? It suggests that seeds floating through water, isn't it? Some plants spread the seeds over long distance also. Okay, children. And then next topic is who came from where. Okay, did you all understand what I said here, children? Seeds also used to travel from one place to another place by using animals and also floating in the water. Seeds used to travel, and also first we saw that the seeds travel by using flying in the air. The second picture I said you about that the seeds travel by sticking on its clothes. That made George Master to find out the Velcro, isn't it? He found out the Velcro. And they also said about the animals also used to travel the seeds, used to take the seeds and travel from one place to another place. So the seeds will travel from one place to another place, and also there is another chance also. If the seeds fell down in water, it will float on the water, and it's used to travel from one place to another. So in this way, the seeds will travel many places. These are all about. Okay, have you all clearly understand what I am saying here, children? Okay. The next topic is who came from where. Have you included human beings also in your list? Have you included human beings also in your list? Yes. We also carry seeds from one place to another, knowingly or unknowingly. Yes, children. We are also carry. What we also carry? We also carry seeds from one place to another with our knowledge or without our knowledge also. We bring the seeds of plants that we find beautiful or useful to grow them in our garden. How we will bring, children? We bring the seeds of plants. It looks most beautiful, and is also if it is useful for for us. What we will do, we will bring the seeds and we will plant in our garden. Isn't it? Some human beings may do this. So by this way, seeds used to travel from one place to another place from us also. We then later the seeds of this plant spread to other places. Many years later, people may not even remember of the plants. These plants did not grow here earlier. They were brought from somewhere else. Do you know from where chilies came to our country? They were brought to India by traders coming from South America. What they asked children, see, do you know from where chilies came to our country? These were brought to India by traders. Traders who mean by taking the things from one place to another place, which mean by travelers. Okay. Coming from South America. Today we cannot think of food without chilies, isn't it? In this today we cannot think chilies without think of food without chilies. Okay, children, this is all about the class seeds and seeds, children. Next class we will see some more interesting topic, and this today's assignment is you have to write the starter column whatever seed you are finding in your home, okay? And then one more also you have to write question answers and detail, okay? In your classwork note, already I gave you fill the blanks, match the following, true or false, observe the picture in your classwork, isn't it? In this continuation, you have to write question answers and also detail in your classwork note. Write neatly, children. The answers of this PDF is attached next to this video. Don't forget to do this activity in your home, children. You should have to send this in your WhatsApp group. If it fails, we will less marks in unit test also. Okay? We will give mark for this. Okay, children. Next class we will see some more interesting topic. Thank you, children.